What's up, guys? It's me, Rosa, again. I decided to make a video because since I know like a lot of people are going into middle school and some people are scared of it. So since I just finished middle school, I decided to make a video of how to survive middle school. Because honestly, I'm not that kind of popular person that everybody likes, that everybody will get along with. So here's the video. Let's get started. Alright guys, so tip number 1. The first thing I did was mentally prepare myself. Like I was like, okay, I'm going into middle school, I'm gonna have a locker. I need to remember my locker combination, and trust me, I didn't remember my locker combination on the first day. Everybody makes middle school look really hard, but honestly, it's not. It's pretty easy. Teachers make it look like it's going to be the worst thing ever, but it's not really. It's super easy. You just gotta prepare yourself, understand that you need to turn in your work when you need to turn it in. So yeah, now it's time for tip number 2. Okay, tip number 2 is make sure you have a pencil. I honestly bought a whole pack of pencils, like 2 packs, honestly, and on the first day of school, I probably used like 5 pencils that day because I kept losing some. People kept asking me to borrow some. So make sure you probably should bring a mechanical pencil and tell everybody that you don't have a pencil. Like that's probably really rude because you're probably going to be the person asking somebody like, oh, can I use a pencil? And they're all like, no, I don't have any pencils. You're that person too, but anyways. Just do that, or like buy a mechanical pencil for yourself and then buy a bunch of wooden pencils after that. So if anybody asks you, you can just give them that one. So now tip number 3. Alright, so my third tip for you is you should always, always, if you have gym class, do not forget your gym bag. Like that's the worst thing. Like you'll lose points or something, or whatever school you go to. Because my school, I would lose points if I forgot my gym bag. So yeah, now for tip number 4. Okay, so tip number 4 is don't worry about if you have a bunch of friends or not. Just make sure you're happy first, okay? You don't need to have this huge group of friends that you're gonna have an amazing time in middle school, because middle school is probably only 2 years long for you, or maybe 3 if you start in 6th grade. And it's not a big thing. Like, come on, high school is 4 more years of school. So, I mean, 7th and 8th grade isn't going to be that bad. So, yeah, tip number 5. Alright, so, make sure that you don't let anybody bring you down, because everybody's going to try to do that, no matter what grade you're in. So, don't let anybody tell you you're not worth it, you're gonna be all by yourself, you're gonna be lonely, you don't have any friends, or you're a nerd, or you're a geek, or you're fat, you're ugly. Just know everybody's themselves, and you should never change that. Alright, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe for weekly videos. Thank you. Goodbye.